up, y'all? It's Will Love bringing you another video. This time we're getting into my cleaning routine for the Model S. Starting off with what we're going to be using. Armor All disinfectant wipes. Love these things. The Car Guys Super Cleaner was what I used in the past, but left an odd smell on my old Model 3's dashboard. Chemical Guys Speed Wipe is a must. Puts a nice shine on the whip. Glass Cleaner by Chemical Guys is also a must. The Wheel Cleaner really helps with degreasing any crud you get on those rims. This Extreme Body Wash plus Wax is excellent for the foam coatings I like to do. This foam cannon is great, and I attach it to a 1500 psi pressure washer. I try not to do much hand washing unless I absolutely need to. Last, any old glass cleaning towel will do. I just snagged this one off Amazon for like $6. Now I'm using a Greenworks 1500 psi pressure washer that I snagged off Amazon for like $90, and it does a pretty good job. Setup for this clean is fairly quickly. I start off with a quick water wash of the car and then give the car a nice foam coating. Making sure to cover the entire car, I'll let this sit for about 10 minutes before I spray it off. Well, that's it for me today. I appreciate y'all dropping by. Stay tuned for the next one, as I'll be doing the 0 to 60 speed test. Alright, be easy out there.